Incremental greetings! Now, at February 2022, or perhaps in March as well, what is happening that YouTube no longer supports Internet Explorer. So therefore, you cannot use that to import to SuperMemo. On top of that, you may have tried to use the SuperMemo Assistant Import++ add-on, which just imports the picture. It doesn't import the actual windows. Even if you're using Chrome or Firefox, it does the same thing, for whatever reason. So you're out of luck, right? Now the question is, what can I do? Well, you have some solutions that are absolutely very far from good solutions. Okay, so let's say that I want to import this video about the jargon of Linux. Nice. So what I would do, I will copy this, the URL, and ctrl+N. So I create a new element from my clipboard. And as you may have noticed, there are some limitations of that. First, I don't get a template. It says no template, even though I'm getting a video because SuperMemo recognized that in the clipboard it's one YouTube link. Second, I don't have the title. So if I want a title, I will have to copy, paste this, and now Alt-Q and edit this title. Nice. Now I have the title, link, comment. Nice. So it takes extra effort. First, you have to do one by one. You have to reapply the template. Let's say that for me this is hurting my eyes, all of this white. So I will have to apply the template myself. Nice. And now it's bigger and so on. Then you will need to reapply the title and the references in case you care. Long term you will care. And third, and most of all, is that I'm not pretty sure what is the cost, but certain Internet Explorer Windows updates makes YouTube not working on SuperMemo. I don't know why. It works in my laptop, but in this computer it has never worked. Never, ever. No clue at all. So if that's the case, then you're out of luck. Again, what can you do? Well, there's a second alternative you can use instead of ctrl+N to import videos, is to actually download that video from YouTube and import it as a local video in your collection. I actually do that myself. Strongly suggest this software. It's called YTDLP, which is a fork of the YouTube DL. You may be familiar with that as well. You can download an entire channel, your watch later, playlist, whatever, and then import it on your SuperMemo collection. And overall, the question you may have is, okay, now we need to wait until the next version is released. No new version of SuperMemo 18 is going to be released. So therefore, the next version will be 19 already, which will solve the issue with Internet Explorer that, according to Wozniak, it's 22 years old. So that's quite long. When will be released? No idea. I hope as soon as possible, because this is affecting your everyday usage of SuperMemo. So long story short, you don't know when SuperMemo is going to be released. So what I suggest is from now on to either download the videos and use local video or use ctrl+N. I know it sucks, it's not a good option, but it's proprietary software, you cannot change the code, so there's nothing left you can do.